Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Nikita Gill and in this video मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी मेरा एक्सपीरियंस कि मुझे फुली फंडेड पीएचडी यूएसए में कैसे मिली है, मैंने क्या क्या स्टेप्स किए हैं. सो मैं आपको टाइमलाइन के साथ बताऊंगी. ओके, सो मैंने कब डिसाइड किया कि मुझे पीएचडी ही करनी है, मुझे अब्रॉड से करनी है, तब वो मैंने अपना माइंड कब सेट किया, तो वो सब चीज़ें मैं आपको टाइमलाइन के साथ बताऊंगी. तो अगर आप मास्टर्स कर रहे हो, अगर आप फर्स्ट ईयर में हो, सेकंड ईयर में हो, तो अगर आपकी मास्टर्स हो भी गई है तो भी आप उसके बाद अपना क्या क्या चीज़ें कर सकते हो ताकि आपकी सीवी है वो एनहेंस हो, आपकी प्रोफाइल है वो बहुत अच्छी हो. तो ये सब चीज़ें मैं आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहती हूँ. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड. ओके, सो मैंने डिसाइड किया था कि मुझे पीएचडी करनी है इन माय मास्टर्स इन द फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर इटसेल्फ. सो फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर में मैंने डिसाइड किया कि मुझे पीएचडी करनी है एंड मुझे पीएचडी करनी है तो मुझे अब्रॉड से करनी है. ओके, उसके बाद मैंने सेकेंड सेमेस्टर में ये सब चीज़ें लाइक देखना स्टार्ट किया. यूट्यूब से देखा मैंने, यूट्यूब की वीडियोस बहुत सारी सर्च की कि ओके क्या क्या चीज़ें मुझे चाहिए है कि ये सब चीज़ें मेरे पास होनी चाहिए तो ये गारंटी हो जाएगी कि ओके मेरा एडमिशन हो जाएगा. तो वो सब चीज़ें मैंने सर्च करना स्टार्ट किया इन माय सेकेंड सेमेस्टर. तो मुझे पता चला कि अगर आपके पास एक पब्लिकेशन है तो वो आपको बहुत हेल्प करता है टू गेट अ फुली फंडेड पीएचडी इन अब्रॉड. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू डू अ publication and I took help from my professor. So during my masters it was COVID times and of course I wasn't able to do a research publication. So I decided to do a review article publications. So in my second semester I started working on a review article along with my two other friends, and we worked on a review article which is published in RSC Advances. So I started working on my review article in my second semester and till the end of the third semester my review article was published. And in my third semester I decided to do a internship because internship also helps to boost your profile and it also gives you some research experience. So if you are going for a PhD in abroad, so वो आपकी प्रोफाइल में क्या चीज़ देखना चाहते हैं, वो ये देखना चाहते हैं कि मतलब आपके पास कितना रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंस है. तो वो मैंने सोचा कि वो मैं कैसे कर सकती हूँ. अभी मैं थर्ड सेमेस्टर में हूँ, मेरे पास पीछे कोई रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है. ओके, मेरे पास एक रिव्यू आर्टिकल है. So then I decided to do a internship in my winter break. So that was around 1.5 to 2 months break after my third semester. So I joined a inorganic chemistry lab at Jamia Millia Islamia University at New Delhi. So I did an internship there for about 2 months. So yeah. Then there was a international conference going on in my third semester itself. So I decided to participate in that international conference because you know that I thought कि ये बहुत अच्छी चीज़ है. ओके, सो ये मेरे सीवी को बहुत ज़्यादा एनहेंस करेगी एंड मुझे ऑब्वियसली बहुत ही बूस्ट मिलेगा मेरी प्रोफाइल को. सो आई डिसाइडेड टू पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट इंटरनेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस and I participated and I got a certificate from there. And yeah, and after that in my fourth semester itself there was a research based thesis we had to submit in our fourth semester in our university. So I had a research experience from my internship and plus I had my research experience from my thesis work, a master's thesis work. So that has helped me a lot. So till now my profile was like, okay, I have one review article publication in an international journal, so that is RSC Advances, and I have a international conference certificate. I have done internship. I have submitted my master's thesis work. So what is left? Okay, and okay, I forgot to mention that in between my masters I have done 2 to 3 online courses, so I had also certificates from there. So basically those courses were based on my subject area only, so that also really helped and boosted my profile. So yeah, that's pretty much about my profile, how I worked on it. And सो आई वॉन्ट टू टेल यू कि अगर आप अभी अपने फाइनल ईयर में हो, अपनी एमएससी अभी आपने स्टार्ट ही की है, तो मतलब एक अपना माइंड बनाओ कि ओके मुझे पीएचडी करनी है, तो फिर मुझे अपनी प्रोफाइल को बहुत ही अच्छा मेंटेन करके चलना है, मुझे क्या क्या चीज़ें करनी है ताकि मेरी मास्टर्स तब कंप्लीट हो उससे पहले मेरे हाथ में कुछ सर्टिफिकेट्स होने चाहिए जो कि मैं दिखा सकता हूँ कि ओके अगर आप किसी यूनिवर्सिटी में अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आप ये दिखा सकते हो कि मेरे पास इतना तो रिसर्च एक्सपीरियंस है, ये सब चीज़ें मैंने किया हुआ है मास्टर्स में, अपार्ट फ्रॉम योर कोर्स वर्क ऑब्वियसली. सो yeah, you have to show that to the universities where you are applying. So okay, after that in my August 2022 everything is done. I had all these documents in my hand to show to the universities and the professors that okay, I am a potential candidate for the PhD. So yeah. Okay, so after completing my masters, what I did? Okay, so I started preparing for IELTS exam in my August and gave my IELTS exam in September 2022 and got around overall 7 bands in that. And yeah, and I also started shortlisting the universities then and prepared a very good CV and started working on the SOPs and letter of recommendations. And after that I started contacting professors. So I sent a lot of emails to professors and all around the world. Like I have sent around 100 to 200 emails to Germany or to European universities, but I haven't got any reply from them. So in October month to December I applied to total 5 universities and worked on their applications, worked on their letter of recommendations about, because you know in USA every university has its own requirement for your application. So I started working on them and it took me about 2 to 3 months to apply to all the universities that I wanted to apply. And so I applied to about 5 universities and got selected in 2 universities, that is Texas Tech University and IUPUI University. So I have decided to join Texas Tech University, and in the next month I will be going to USA now, and my visa has been approved, and also I have shared my F1 visa interview experience. So if any of you is interested, so you can watch my F1 visa interview experience as well. So yeah, that's pretty much what I did to get a PhD in USA. So if this video has helped you in any sense, so please like it and also share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please subscribe my channel. And also in this channel I will be sharing about my life in USA, how I'm doing a PhD in USA. Like, so what are the differences in the research in the Indian universities and the US universities? Which one is better? That I can tell you when I'll be there and doing the research there. So stay tuned and also subscribe my channel if you want to know what are the research cultures in the US, and if you want to follow my journey in US doing a PhD. So just keep liking my videos and subscribe my channel. So yeah, bye bye.